What's going on, guys? This is Drew of Drew Drives at Grubbs Volvo in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2023 BMW X4 M. This vehicle has a 3-liter twin-turbo inline 6-cylinder with 473 horsepower and 457 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle can also do 0 to 60 in roughly 4 seconds. So I've always loved the X3M and X4M. Absolutely amazing vehicles, really fun to drive, and the handling in these is unreal. And I have a G80 M3, as you guys know, so basically, this is literally an M3 SUV. Same horsepower figures for the most part, literally the same horsepower figures, same engine and everything. So this car literally just feels like a lifted M3. That's what it feels like. And my family used to have an X3M, so I'm pretty familiar with that car too. This is just like the coupe-ified version of the X3M, and I was always blown away with how well it handles. Like, it's such an awesome car. Like, the handling in these is insane. The acceleration, all of it, super fun. So yeah, I've never driven the X4M. I've only driven the X3M. And this one is not the competition, it's the regular X4M. The competition gives you a little bit more power, louder exhaust, and a few different exterior finishes like black badges, black grille, and all things like that. But this one has the upgraded M seats. The regular ones, like if you get like the base seats, it'll have like the seats like from an X3 M40i or something like that. So, but these seats are way better. These look pretty much identical to the seats in my M3, except it doesn't say X4M here, it just says the M badge. Has the M badge, but it lights up at night. This is like the gray with red interior, with like these little red accents, which looks cool. You have a leather shifter. You have a 360 view camera. You also have carbon fiber interior trim, heated and ventilated seats, M1 and M2 buttons to configure your drive modes. You have paddle shifters, of course. Put it in M mode and you have like the M gauge cluster, which looks awesome. I love it. I use this all the time in my car. And then you can change the setup in here. We're obviously going to drive in these sportier settings, so I'm going to put it in M2 mode. The competition has like has crackles and pops with the exhaust too, but the regular one doesn't really do that. But either way, it still sounds pretty insane. Pretty good center console storage. You have a wireless charging tray over there. Let's make sure I can get it to charge. This is your BMW M key fob. Harman Kardon sound system, panoramic sunroof. But let's walk around this X4M and see what it looks like. This one's finished in dark graphite metallic. You have BMW M blue compound brakes. This one has Michelin Pilot Sport all-season 4 tires, great tires for this car. So yeah, the regular X4M will give you like the chrome grille. The competition will give you the blacked out grille. And I believe you also get carbon fiber mirror caps. Here are the rear seats. Decent legroom for being a coupe SUV. X4M badge on the back, quad outlet exhaust. So yeah, the styling of the X4M has always been polarizing for many people. I personally preferred the X3M, but I like the X4M too. And here's the trunk. Pretty good space actually. And also you get silver exhaust tips. The competition will give you black exhaust tips. But it looks pretty cool. But let's drive it. You also have adaptive cruise control. It's not standard, so you have to get it as an extra. At least I think so. Because I don't remember my X3M having adaptive cruise. Man, the steering is so nice. It feels so heavy. This steering feels like heavier than it does in my M3, which is nuts. Literally, what's weird about these is these feel more aggressive than an M3 competition, which is nuts. Like this, like the drive feel, the steering, suspension, all of it feels more aggressive. Man. These X3 and X4Ms are just so awesome. You can adjust the harshness of the gear shifts too over here. This little button over there. so fast. It is just so fast. Effortless power. And I love the pop from the exhaust when you upshift. It's fantastic. Like now BMW has the X4 M50, which is not even close in comparison to the X4 M and the X4 M. I don't even know if this, I don't think they even make the X4 anymore. Yeah, they don't. Now look how effortless the power is. It's ridiculous. It just picks up speed so easily. And the way the transmission, everything's tuned is phenomenal. Man, I love this car. But one thing about these, the fuel economy is so bad. But yeah, that's when you get an M car, that's what you have to live. You have to live with going to the gas station all the time. I mean, that's a part of the game. And so this one's an LCI model, so it has a bigger screen, right? The pre-LCI screen was a little smaller than this. Yeah, I think the screen is perfect. And you guys know I love iDrive 7 over iDrive 8, so this is like the perfect BMW infotainment to me. It has a beautiful digital gauge cluster as well as a good size screen. It doesn't look like it was glued on the dash like iDrive 8. Look at that steering. This car is just insane. You can just see how powerful it is. And yeah, that acceleration was so insane. My phone flew out of the wireless charger tray. Let's just put it back in the normal mode now. See what that's like for the rest of the drive. But like, yeah, it's like such a great all-arounder because it's an SUV and it has the performance of an M3, right? And literally feels just as aggressive as an M3 does. Like, for example, if I was in a position where I needed an SUV and I can only have one car and I want a performance SUV, I would definitely I'd most likely get an X3 M or X4 M because of how versatile these cars are. Gives you best of everything. But the thing is, I have a manual transmission. That's why I love my M3. But like personally, I'd be more than happy having an automatic. If I was getting an automatic, I'd be happy with an X3 M over an M3 competition. That's just me though. We have now returned to Grubb's Volvo, so we're about to conclude today's video. Let's park right here next to this Jeep. See the camera turn on, or parking sensors. There they are, perfect. So when you get close to something, it'll start beeping at you, and it gives you the 360 view, which I really like. But overall, this 2023 BMW X4 M is an absolute blast to drive. These are awesome vehicles. Very aggressive and very versatile. Gives you everything you need in a performance SUV. But thanks for watching another video of Driv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships and Grubb's Volvo in the description below if you'd like to shop for a wide variety of high performance pre-owned SUVs.